What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just getting some things set up. I'm trading link. And then let's see. Cool. That's good. And then sorry, just getting everything situated on my end, everybody. TikTok. Went live for Asia last night. Caught a little decent trade on gold. Nothing crazy, but it was a little something something. A little something something on gold. I need to buy a different camera for TikTok. Live trading futures. Cool. We are live, baby. All right. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading and futures trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. It is currently June 25th at 7:07 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. Cool. Let's get it. Tell everybody that we are live. If you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to take 2 seconds, hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. As always, helps a lot with the algo. And then if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to double tap the screen. That also helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. And follow if you're new. Find the follow at top left, top right. All right, let's see. Trading futures. Let the gram know that we're live, and then we're ready to rock and roll. For Asia, no, not today. One second. Yep, MU's up like $200. Actually over 200. 230. It says to close. This is TradingView. I want to try something and see if like using TradingView leads to more people joining. I'm curious. So we'll see. I'm gonna test it. As much as I hate TradingView, I would do it for a stream or two to see. Yes, I'm Q. Perfect. Go. Let's get it. Again, if you guys haven't, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. It's at top left, top right of the screen. Make sure to click it. Double tap that screen. Helps a lot with the algo. Pushes it out to more people. Again, if you're watching on the tube and you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, but also make sure to hit that like button. The way that Tube does it, I believe, is based off the likes and then how many people are typing in the chat. So, Tube, do your thing. Feel free to ask questions, type in the chat. Again, all that stuff helps with the algo. Why do I hate TradingView? Because it never shows the right zones, and Thinkorswim is so much faster. But I got Thinkorswim on my other screen. We'll see how it goes. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning, Mr. LBJ. Thought we were gonna get paid off that Wendy's this morning. It hit like 9:40 last night. Maybe. I seen Roaring Kitties talking about it, so maybe that leads to some push. Good morning, good morning. I use Tradeovate and Thinkorswim for my charts, and then execution. Who we got in here? We got Justin, T-Trader, Hopium, Ayo, Pluto, Cole, Gabe, Rich, Jason, Papa West, Sean, Clay, Zach, everybody else who hasn't typed yet. Good morning, good morning. I mean, honestly, we're in the daily gap on SPY and QQQ. I have more of a bullish bias for the day, especially because QQQ's got a fat gap all the way up to 734.40. So the gap entry is 723.60, which we're above. And then again, the gap fill is at 734. So I'd like to see the gap get filled. SPY, if it can hold above 740, pretty much that's going to be the gap entry all the way up into 743.13. So get above those pre-market highs on ES and NQ. I want more upside for sure. Oh, show. I mean, Colorado's beautiful. It's just a flat state tax. Obviously, there's better states, but it's not like, it's not terrible. I lived in Maryland. Maryland's probably the worst, besides California. But yeah, I mean, Colorado's beautiful. You start trading at 7:30. You're done every day by 9:30 in the morning. I mean, what you can't complain about that, you know? No complaints about that. Probably gonna have to restart the TikTok again. How's everybody doing though? You guys do anything exciting last night or this morning? Also, for the ones watching on the tube, if you guys want to join my free Discord, here's a link to that right here. I'm gonna pin it in the comments. Free Discord. And there we go. Make sure you guys join. It's free. Completely free. All right. I'm gonna restart TikTok. I don't know why it keeps restricting me. But yeah, hold on. Or maybe. Hold on. Bro, I don't really know with this. Don't feel like dealing with this BS this morning. Honestly, I want to see more upside. We're in the gap fills both for QQQ and SPY. So I think get above that pre-market high. There's a very high probability that we just push up. We'll see though. But yeah, get above that high. I want more More continuation. I don't know if GD's here. Oh, he is here.
You, can you hear me?
Yeah. Where are you trading at?
I'm at Jadon's house right now.
Fire. Real quick, TikTok, can you guys hear me? Give me a yes or no if you can hear me.
I actually am in the basement, funny enough.
Yeah? All right, cool. All right, let's crush it today. Again, make sure you guys double tap that screen. Helps a lot with the algo. Follow if you're new. But yeah, let's get it today. Again, if you guys are in the tube, make sure to join the free Discord. There's that link right there. There's the link. Questions before market opens, too. Feel free to ask. What's up, JSR?
Why is there only 45 people in here? That's awful. We need more.
Give them like 10 minutes. We'll see. Tell everybody, wake up. All right, let's get it. Bias today, upside. Like I said, get above pre-market highs at one more upside. Daily gap fill on QQQ and SPY. Let's see. Yeah, upside only is what I want, ideally. If the market falls apart, honestly, probably won't look for any shorts. We'll see. But I like that we're in the gap fill, which is kind of telling us that, we should look for more upside. Let's get it. Look for it to retest the level. Once price stable, pull back, retest, give confirmation. Obviously, look at the order flow as well. Then that's where I look for my entry. Yep. Make sure if you're using Apex, code Brandon or GDI. for the ones in the chat. $10 minutes until open. As always, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. They're definitely not getting moved live after the first payout. Do I mark the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour high and lows? I mean, that's not how I trade, personally. You all have like the access to the way that I trade. Just watch my videos. You learn more about my strategy if you want to know exactly how I trade. But as far as how I trade, that's not how I do it. Good morning. Again, I don't know why it does that. It's literally just the fan of my computer. It doesn't sound like that on my tube channel. Everybody on tube, does this sound like I'm underwater? Or is it only doing that on TikTok? Let me know how it sounds. I've had a lot of people say that on TikTok specifically, but I've never heard anybody say it on tube. Yeah, see, it sounds fine on the tube. Watching on TikTok, you want to tap my tube channel, BrandonTrades, live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 136,000, almost 137,000 subscribers. So you guys want to tap in over there. BrandonTrades on the tube. Sound good? Sound normal? Cool. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why TikTok does that. I'm gonna watch MU today for sure. MU and AMD is what I want to watch. Cool, let's get it. As always, trade safe, trade smart. A+ setups today. Wait for the market to come to you. What's the strategy? I trade supply and demand, 30-minute orb, and then basic break and retest of
How's everyone's morning?
Pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low, and then order flow as well.
Nice
You guys are
little
looking to
shoulder
get my order
workout
flow
pre-market.
platform
Let's
too. You can do
go.
that here. That link.
Let's
If you're ever interested looking into it. I use the Global Plus as well as the CME data, and I have an entire 45-minute video on how to set up Bookmap if you guys need it. Any tips to pass an eval with 2 days left? You ready for this? Find one really good setup and just nuke it. Bookmap's fire. If you want to watch it, you're watching on TikTok, going over to my tube channel. It's on there right now, Brandon Trades. But if you want it, the link is also in my bio over here. Good morning, good morning. This 5-minute time frame. No, this is not the 9 EMA or the 20 EMA. It's the 8 and 21 MVWAT. Where is my 21? There it is. Cool. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Sorry. There we go. Now you're not going to hear it. Five-minute time frame. Order flow, I mean, it's very useful, yes. I just use it in confluence with other key levels. But yes, order flow is a very useful thing to use in your trading. I'll preach that literally all the time. What do I wait for an entry? Literally price to trade to my key level and then price action and order flow to tell me to get in. You know, if we don't get confirmation, we don't take the trade. If we do, we take the trade. Stop loss on the opposite side of the confirmation candle. Any resources on the 30-minute orb strategy? Well, my channel. My channel's got tons of videos on how I trade. What are you watching today, GD? We actually have fat daily gaps, both on SPY and QQQ above that pre-market high. So I'm looking to rip that. Rip it for the gap fill. Again, game plan is upside. If you guys haven't, find that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. Also, while you're at it, make sure to double tap that screen. It helps a lot with the algo. As you guys saw, this stream has a lot more double taps, and as a result, we're getting more people. So, again, find the follow button at the top left, top right. Click it if you want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm also live over there right now as well. Everybody on the tube, 150 likes is the goal. And you guys get a free account today, put in the chat. So we have 170 people, 56 likes. You guys need about 100 more likes and you can get a free account. And then if you guys ever need accounts in the future, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. Code Brandon, all caps. Have you seen more volume with the PDT rule gone? No, because, I mean, you never really had to worry about the PDT. All you had to do was open a cash account. And it was never an issue. So. Let's get it, though. Market opens here in 1 minute. One minute. Order flow is what you see right here with the heat map, the circles, and then the shaded area. It's essentially showing you where buyers and sellers are in the market, and it's showing you how they're transacting at certain spots. All right, Team Bull. A+ setups only. Trade safe, trade smart. Let's get this bag. you're only limited to what you had in your account, but like, you know, you could take multiple trades in a day, obviously, depending on how many or how much cash you had, but you weren't limited to 3 times in 5 trading days. All right, let's do it. Again, I'm looking for the break and retest of pre-market highs to fill the gaps. Also, everybody watching on the TikTok, find that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. Also got faster internet yesterday, so we'll see how this goes. Open above 7,400 on SPX. But yeah, Preet. I don't know how to say the rest of your name. Preet. If you just go on Tube, type in BrandonTrades order flow, I'll pop right up. Tons of videos. I'm actually about to drop another one tonight. $67 likes on the tube. Remember, 150 likes, and I'm dropping a free code today. Might drop 2. We'll see. 2 free codes. Pulling back to VWAP. Again, if you guys are watching on the tube, I put a free Discord link in it's pinned. So make sure you guys come join the free Discord. All right, we're coming down to that gap entry on QQQ at 723.60. So I want to see if we hold. If we break below that, then I don't really know where price could go. Touching it right now. This thing better not ruin the game plan. I'm trying to get that gap filled today. MU is really strong right now, too. AMD is above that pre-market high. Come on. Appreciate the follow, Era. I think you say it. This is a 5-minute time frame on NQ. Getting back up above that 723.60. Let's see if we hold it. Might watch MU today as well, Team Bull. Maybe a break and retest of this 1250. I'm gonna watch the 1300 calls. $723.60. Need a 5-minute candle close above it, ideally. I'd be shocked if we don't fill the gap, to be honest. But obviously the market doesn't care what we want. We like just closed on that 723.60 level on QQQ. The chips are very strong today. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. Greatly appreciated. King Aces 19. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys keep running up them likes. We got 210 of you in here and 69 likes. Remember, at 150, we will give away an account today. Maybe two. We'll see. If we had a winner, we'll give away a second. Yeah, if you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. Starting to get back down below that previous low. I just don't like the spreads on this MU. They keep getting pretty wide. It is holding that high though. We'll see. Pre-market lows all the way down here. We could see what happens if price gets down. MU's falling now. It's pulling back to the moving averages at VWAP. See if they can buy it up here, but NQ's really falling. I was really hoping for that gap fill. Yeah, I say whenever I take a trade. Absolutely. I think that MU is going to be invalid. It's not able to hold above the level. Do we have news today, GD? Bro, these MU contracts just keep widening on the spread. You're gonna get destroyed if you buy market. It's a really nice 5-minute candle on MU though. I mean, 2000 is not terrible. I'm looking at the 1300s because, like, if it holds above that 1250, there ain't a whole lot blocking it. Still want to keep a close eye on it. What's my P&L today? 0. I haven't taken anything. And then win rate varies day to day and week to week. But win rate's pretty irrelevant. All depends on your risk and your R multiple. The QQQ gap fill was from 723.60 all the way up into 734. That's what I wanted to see us fill. But yeah, the market is taking a big old dump right now. And let's see. Demand is down at 29661 and 29606. It's a combination of I believe, a 2 and 3 hour zone on NQ. As far as the S, already traded into the demand yesterday. 7407 is what I would watch. Again, you guys need 70 more likes on the tube if you want this account giveaway. 70 more likes. We are at a pre-market low on NQ. Or Asia low, whatever you want to call it. See if we end up reclaiming it or not. Bro, big old dump. If we get down to 29661 to 29606, I'm looking for a balanced team bull. Cool. But yeah, it's a 2 and 3 hour zone that we have down here. Don't worry though, Wendy's is green today, everybody. In case you guys were curious. Oh my god, it's Black Thursday. The market's going down. I feel like we will bounce this level. If we, especially if we drop like aggressively into it. I'm just testing something, Matthew. Experimenting. We need another 100 points until our level. Or like 90 points. Come on, don't you dare bounce yet. Go straight down. Straight down into the level. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Keep going. I think if we do bounce up, god damn, that candle's big. Yeah, if we don't continue to fall here, I'm gonna look to get a short if we push back up and ideally target demand out of it. Maybe off this pre-market low. All right, we're getting close. Need another 40 points. All right, we're touching it here. See if price reacts. If not, 606 is our next level. This is really what I like to see going into our zones, a big move into it. See if we can reclaim with strength. Come on. My screen isn't big enough for these candles, for real. Still no entry, everybody. Definitely volume coming in down here. I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes, because we are like kind of flirting with this level. Might invalidate though. Yeah. There's a good chance that we're not going to take this. I was looking for longs. Actually, hold on. Oh, wait. That one we already traded into. Yeah, this is the only area that we were going to potentially bounce today was these two levels. And then we were trading into what we bounced off of yesterday on ES at 7407. See if we reclaim this 606. Reclaiming it right now. I want to try this. I'm going to try some MNQ longs. If we get below 600, I'll stop out. below 600 with weakness. Definitely risky, but if this plays or if it starts to push, we could really start to get a move up. Could have got a better entry a little closer to that 606. See if we get up towards like 90 for a first trim. If you got that better entry, obviously feel free to trim. Come on. Up about 40 points right here. I'm looking for another 10 points for a trim. Come on, don't reverse on us. Don't reverse on us. Come on. Bro, it's the story of this week. Again, we get below that 600 with weakness and we get out. We were up like 40 points too. I stopped out, by the way, everybody. Stopped out. You want to scalp it for the 40 points. If you got a better entry, obviously, you know, you had that as well. But just did not get the one-to-one risk reward. It's been all week where it's like initially pushing, we're in profits, and then it just reverses. See if it can reclaim again, and we'll see. Maybe take a re-entry, but as of now. That was the only area we could bounce today, too. It's been an annoying trading week, I will say that. Again, depending on your entry, we're up a little over 40 points. I wanted us closer to 90 to take a trim, or like 90 to 700 as far as risk to reward. We got close, and then boom. It's literally been all week. It's been doing that. We are at ES's yesterday low. And we held it too with strength. We were popping back up with that volume, so it absolutely made sense to take the trade. If we were going to reverse, it was there. Now, I don't know. We're going to have to look for a pop up to short. Now it's been like every single trade that we've took this week. It hasn't been a good week as far as winning trades. I'll say that right now. But every time we were in the green, like what was it on Tuesday? I went 0 for 2. We took the ES and we were up like 5 or 6 points, but it didn't make sense to trim based off of our risk, and then it reversed and stopped us out. It's exactly what just happened there. You know, we were up 40 points on NQ, which is good. That was the only place for us to potentially bounce. We reclaimed the level. There was volume behind it. You know, it reclaimed it aggressively. Our risk was, you know, tight. We had a well-defined stop loss, but you know, it popped up the 40 points. There was definitely room for way more out of it, and then just completely reversed. That's been this entire week with my trades. And it's frustrating for sure. Definitely frustrated. See, we ended up reclaiming that previous day low on ES. 7,400. It's all right. I think if we can pop back up into that 8 EMA, let's start getting interested in potential shorts. Got our 50% fib that lines up with it too. I'm actually kind of surprised that it didn't bounce because, I mean, that was a really large move down into demand as well. So, about 500 points into it. No, I don't use Bollinger Bands. Again, 150 likes, you guys get a free account today. Here goes TikTok restricting me again. If this ends up being low, we might go lower. Again, I would like to see a pop into the 8 EMA for a potential short. This is a 5-minute time frame. Oh, trust me, weeks like this make me feel like I'm a bad trader too, but you know, it's just an outlier within our I guess normal or regular trading. Just an outlier. There's going to be bad weeks in there. Fire. Like I said, I like the longs off that demand, but clearly, market don't give a shit what I like. And again, if you guys are in the tube, make sure you guys join the free Discord. Here's the link right here. Make sure to join. Join the free Discord. Give us a pop into the 8 EMA. Very nice push back up right here. See if we can get it into the 8 EMA. I want to see something. If I put in a buy order, does it reflect on trade evade? Let's see. No, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, wait, it did. Cool. It doesn't show it on the screen, though. How do I make it do that? This connected through my Apex, so I wanted to see if I executed on trade evade, is it going to reflect onto my trading view? I don't know if you guys saw it, though. Could you? I don't know if you see the bar. Yeah, if I made it show on the screen, I think you could. We are hitting the 8 EMA on ES right now, but I prefer it on NQ. Checking off that 50% retracement right now on ES. Again, if you guys are watching on the tube, how many people we got in here? 220. You guys need 60 more likes. Actual thumbs up if you guys want the account giveaway. 60 more likes. Can you guys do it? That's the question. $60 more for an account giveaway. Let's watch this ADMA first. And then we can watch the 50% retracement. It's going to be an Apex account that I give away. Touching that VWAP right now on ES. All right, this area I'm watching, everybody. See what happens at this ADMA if we get above there. 50% retracement, then 61.8. See if we fall back down below. We're also at the 61.8 on SPX. Yeah, it would be on the opposite side of the ADMA if I take it. But we could potentially pump up into here. We'll see. Bro, this price action's stupid. You know, if we didn't follow a stop loss, we would have hit our take profit, actually. After being down, how many points was that? We could have been down 400 points, and we would have hit our TP. We are going up off of light volume, which I like. I'm going to try it. Tried the MNQ short. Stop is above the ADMA with strength. So, see if we get this move down. If it's another loss, I'm going to call it a day and take the L. We're up about 30 points right here, everybody. See if we can get closer to 50. We're up 40 points. Come on, give us more. Bro, there's no way it's going to do the same shit. Come on. Break that low. Yeah, come on. Get us down into 40. That's where I'm looking for a trim. 40 to 45. Yup. Okay, I'm going to take a trim right here, everybody. Let's keep the stop loss break even. The market is moving pretty quick, so got a little over a 1-to-1 risk to reward on that. See if we get more. Worst case scenario, it's a quick, drop, trim, and then we stop the rest break even. I would really like to see more continuation out of this. It was about 54 points from our entry. Would like to see us get closer down to like 20 for the next trim. That'll give us almost 80 points. You're gonna keep the stop at break even. It might pump up and hit it. Yeah, it hit it on that move up. Like I said, that might just be quick little drop, trim, pop back up. This volatility is like kind of hard to trade too, though. Now watch, it's gonna dump. Yup, it's gonna do it. Bro, this week's been hard. Still hasn't broke where we trimmed. Now it is. And there would have been the next trim. Can't catch a break this week, everybody. Too big of a stop loss. You're risking like 30 points. Cannot catch a break. So I'm going to stick around until 9. Oh, like I said, yeah, it's been a tough week. Remember, too, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. I still want to see what happens if we trade up into the fibs. Yeah, I know, volatility is crazy. Everybody doing good, though? Again, I can't preach, like, how frustrating this week has been. You guys can probably see it and hear it from me, but, like, it's been a frustrating week. We've had literally 3 trades that were all in the green, so close to going to where it made sense to take a trim, and then boom, stopped. Like, bro, it can't get any more annoying than that. 3 times this week. Oh, I'm gonna have a red week for sure. Unless we catch like another massive trade today, and then a massive trade tomorrow, I'm gonna have a red week. For sure. I'll take a picture. There we go. Yeah, it'll probably be my first red week in a while. Depending on, if the market gives us banger trades. At least I'm honest about it, though. A lot of people wouldn't be. A lot of people would not be honest. Yeah, I'm taking a pic of you, Kayshawn. Go check the story I just posted. I would really like to see us get up into the 61.8. We have VWAP up there. Could look for a potential reversal. It's very rare that I take 3 trades in a day, but if the opportunity is there, then I'm gonna take it. Made back some of the loss earlier. Still red for the day, but it is what it is. I don't know why we flushed like that. And to be honest, I really like that demand zone that we had. Like, really liked it. Again, we dumped 150 when we reclaimed it. That was at 630. So, like, over 500 points in 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, which is not common for NQ whatsoever, which is why I liked it. And then also when we reclaimed it, again, we reclaimed the open of it. What did we notice? We had an elevation in the volume, right? So that's exactly what I look for. Like, that was a good trade. And again, we were up 40 points. I just want to close for like 50, 55, 60 for it to make sense as far as, risk to reward. And then boom. Opposite direction. It's all right, though. It's only 1 week, everybody. 1 week compared to the entire year, we've been killing it for sure. TikTok, I'm going to restart it, though, because TikTok banned the stream again. So, hold on, let me restart it. This is why YouTube is so much better. TikTok is so ass. This the market, or this is the reason why I have trust issues, because of this market. Trust issues. There we go. No me gusta. Got commitment issues because of this market. We are kind of like bear flagging right here, though. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to double tap that screen and be greatly appreciated. Everybody on the tube, we need 38 more likes if you want an account giveaway for Apex. 38 more likes. But yeah, if you guys are watching on TikTok, double tap that screen. Follow if you haven't already. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. It's somewhere up there. I don't know where. Yeah, let's see if we get up into that 50 or 61.8. What you guys thinking, Team Bull? Want a 5-minute time frame? What we thinking? Thinking you should have respected your stop loss every time you have to. About a stop loss and not following it, you're going to keep losing money. Gotta learn to accept the fact that you were wrong. Sometimes more than not, or more often than not. But it is what it is. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. 1 win today, 1 loss. Still red on the day. But it's okay. And what Discord? The free Discord? Shouldn't be asking you that whatsoever. I'll just give you permissions. There you go. Oh, we're at 7,400 on SPX. Oh, going into that 50% retracement. I would genuinely be shocked if they buy this all up. Because we're above the fibs on ES now. Yep, PA's god awful. Again, I'm willing to take one more trade. Use code Brandon for an Apex 5-pack. Let's go. It's good luck sign. Again, everybody, I'm waiting for a pop into this 50% retracement. See what happens. Bro, what is that? You would like to learn? Well, hit that follow button at the top left, top right. I live trade every single day and teach as well. So, yeah, make sure to hit that follow. Also, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I go live over there every single day as well. BrandonTrades on the tube. Feel free to ask questions too while we're just chilling, everybody. Yeah, you guys still need 34 more likes for the Apex account giveaway. 34 more. If I were to short it, I want to see a rejection either here or here. That's what I'm looking for. You said the Discord is not working. Let's see. Make another invite. Try this one. Again, if you guys haven't joined the free Discord, there's a link right there. I post whenever I go live. You guys can talk to me all day if you want. I don't care. Just at me. Yeah, there's like 1,600 people in there. So, come join it. It's free. Free 99. Well, duh. Every YouTube stream is delayed. Like I always say, if you want access to live, like no delay, you have to be either in my Discord, the premium Discord, or in my mentorship. One of those two. I don't know anything about real estate, but from my understanding of real estate, I don't like the idea of having to park money into it for a very long time. I can get faster returns either through, just investing or trading my capital. So I guess it's what's your niche and what makes sense to you to do. Like I said, everybody's still waiting to see 50 or 61.8. These 15-minute candles are going up off a weaker volume, though. I'm willing to take one more trade if we get confirmation. Again, if guys are new on TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button. Be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow. I still think that 50 is a really good spot to look for a potential short. A lot of confluence there. What I think about Eli Lilly, I don't know anything about him. How's the GTR? Still love it. It's my baby. All right, here's the deal, Tube. I'm going to tell you guys one more time. If you don't hit 150 likes, I'm not giving away an account. So you guys need 27 more likes. If you want the account giveaway, you have to hit 150 likes. There's over 200 of you in here. I know you guys can do it, but this is the final time I'm bringing it up. If you guys don't hit 150, I'm not dropping a goat. So it's up to you guys. 25 more of you. Completely up to you. You better not reverse early, bro. Come on, get up here. $15 definitely looks like it wants more downside. When this 15-minute candle closes, it's probably going to show that it hit the level, the ADMA. Because look, what I was looking for. We're going up off this weaker volume, right? Push up, 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 weaker volume. And then I wanted to see it go into this 50% retracement as well as the ADMA and start to project off of it. Now it's going to show that this ADMA is coming down because price is coming down. But at that time, it was not. So I was looking for a little bit more of a push up. Now, by the time it confirms, I'm not going to take a trade risking over 120 points. It makes no sense. Yes, we could potentially catch another 300 something points down, but I ain't risking 120 points. I'll just wait for volatility to slow down or find a better setup. But I do think that was the area to short. If it would have just pushed up a little higher. It is what it is, though. Took 2 trades today. 1 win, 1 loss. Watch, it's going to reverse and go down. Again, if you guys are new, though, make sure to hit that follow button. Be greatly appreciated. Top left, top right, find it, click it. I live trade every single day for you guys. All you got to do is join and follow. Team Bull, any questions while we're chilling? Yeah, I think the market wants to go down, to be honest. It's based off the NQ. You talking funded or eval? Actual funded, I mean, probably 300 to 500. As like a max stop on the day. Evals, I'll be more aggressive because obviously I don't care about them. I just want to pass them. Am I in the same building as Jadon? No. No, we already rejected close to it. I think we might have not been able to get the short entry. So we'll see. I would be interested though if it pops up. Remember too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. It's popping back up right now. I mainly trade New York. I have been hopping on for Asia recently. We caught a nice winning trade on gold last night for Asia. But yeah, mainly New York. Again, if you guys are new though, make sure to hit that follow button. Tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live. 1,800 videos, pretty much 137,000 subs. So make sure you guys tap in. Again, let's see what happens on this push up. Damn, Bitcoin went down to 58K. Might get another decreasing 15-minute candle here. We'll see. I don't know why TikTok sounds like that. There's nothing else I can do. I don't know. Sounds better on the tube. Again, you should know what the tube is, but Brandon Trades if you want to tap in over there. Brandon Trades on the tube. Again, everybody, let's watch VWAP in 61.8. Did you take anything, GD? What? Again, make sure you guys are hitting that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. All right, we got above the 50% retracement. See if we get up into 618. I also want to. I guess it's not going to show it if I'm trading MNQ. I want to see something. Oh, it does do it. Nice. Okay. All right, I figured out how to make it show my orders on TradingView, everybody. Perfect. Still want to see if it gets up here. Only annoying part is I have to have MNQ pulled up because that's what I trade. I don't trade NQ. This is my indicator. I mean, it gives my supply and demand and everything. Yeah, I don't think you guys are getting that funded account. Like I said, I told you guys like 50 times what the light goal was. If you guys don't want it, it is what it is. Here goes TikTok restricting me again. We are getting another 15-minute candle close. Or not close, sorry. Lower volume 15-minute candle. Just no reaction off of that 50. That's next week. I don't care about next week now. I'll worry about it, when Monday market opens. I'm not trying to predict what happens, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week. Concerned about right now. And then, when tomorrow comes, I care about Friday. And then going into next week, that's when I'll care about, whatever happens then. SNQ might reject and start going down. 15 minutes looking pretty bearish, but same thing as far as risk to reward. Just doesn't make sense to risk. Top of this 15-minute candle would be 150 points. I've been made that for a while. Yes, sir. $15-minute definitely looks pretty bearish, everybody. But again, as far as risk to reward, it does not make sense to me. Might make sense to you if you want to risk 150, 160 points. I ain't gonna talk you out of it, but yeah. Just kind of breaking that bear flag now too. Oops. It's definitely risk management and discipline that people struggle with the most. 100%. $100%. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure you hit that follow button. If you guys want, you can tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Also, even though you guys didn't hit the like goal, I'm still gonna drop you guys a code just because I like you guys in the tube and because it's been an annoying week. Still gonna be nice and drop a code for you guys. So, gonna give you guys like 5 minutes to pull up your Apex account. Okay, I have it pulled up, ready to send. Again, get your Apex account pulled up. Give you guys 5 minutes to get it all set, and then I'm gonna drop the code. It works for any account, 50K, 150K. I don't know if they still have the 300Ks. But yeah, any account size, end of day drawdown, intraday drawdown. Obviously, go for the end of day. Get it pulled up. Get it pulled up and ready to go because I'm gonna drop the code randomly in 5 minutes. I'm also watching potential shorts on M&Q. I drop it in my tube chat. So again, if you're watching on TikTok, you got to be in the tube for the chance to win. And it's for Apex. I'm looking for potential shorts too, Team Bull. If it falls back down below this flag. But it's got 30 seconds, so I don't know if it will. We'll see though. Yeah, no, never mind. It's closing above it. All right, I'm gonna drop it. Boom. Right there. I definitely think that the market wants to go lower. It's just being a pain in the ass. The 15-minute looks like it wants to for sure. Definitely think the market does want to go down. But no other entry for me, everybody. Still my 1 win, 1 loss. Is anybody's trade evade messed up? I see people talking about it. I think trade evade's messed up everybody, so be careful. Yeah. I see a lot of people saying they can't exit their trades. Did anybody redeem the code? Let me see if somebody got it. Did you redeem the code? Let's see. If I redeem this code faster than you guys, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, somebody used it. Somebody got it. Somebody redeemed it. Again, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, though, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. Still think this wants to flip and go. It's just too choppy for me. Could have the right idea, but not the, not get the entry. Just based on price action, All right, TikTok. Well, I got restricted again here on TikTok, so I'm going to end it. I'm going to just be live on my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. If you guys want to tap in over there, come tap in. But yeah, TikTok keeps restricting me, so I'm going to keep restarting this. Peace. YouTube is better. Always. I continue to try to go lower. It's just too choppy. I sent the code because I knew you guys were close to the 150, so that was your code for today. I had to sit there and annoy you guys, though, to get to the 150. 150 should be, like, quick, especially when we have almost 300 people in here. So, give away another account tomorrow at 150. Nice little 15-minute candle. Again, I had a feeling it was going to do this, just could not find a good entry as far as risk to reward. GD was able to catch it though. Damn, it's already 9:15. I didn't even realize that. Give the market like another 15. That'll probably call it. Any questions while we're chilling, everybody? Any questions on the tube? It's just, I don't know. Too much volatility, in my opinion. Not a big fan of that 30-minute orb either, to be honest. How do I find my risk to reward? Pretty much confirmation candle, stop losses on the opposite side of that. So that's how I understand my risk. All right, Team Bull, I'm going to go ahead and call it here. Unfortunately for me, another red day. 1 win, 1 loss. Just same thing has happened multiple times this week. It is frustrating where we were up super close to our first trim. If we would have gotten that, we would have put our stop loss at break even. And, you know, it got close. Didn't make sense to trim yet. And then boom, completely reversed, stopped us out. That was like 3 or 4 times this week that happened. So, yeah, it does suck. Also, it's kind of like, you know, if we got a slightly better entry, we would have gotten that trim, you know? So it's also like that's frustrating at the same time. Had I gotten in 2 seconds earlier, I would have been at my trim point, right? And all those trades would have been green had that happened. So it's, you know, it's a little frustrating of a week, but it is what it is. We've been killing it this year. 1 week doesn't dictate what happens for the rest of the year, the next 6 months. So, yeah, I'm gonna call it. Hopefully tomorrow the market cannot be stupid, and hopefully we catch an absolute banger. But yeah, if you guys continue to trade safe, trade smart, and let's run it up tomorrow. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Let's do it. Everybody have a blessed day. Peace out. All right, Tube, I'm going to call it. Again, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon. I'll be live tomorrow morning, same time, 9 a.m. EST. And yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that we get something. But yeah, have a blessed one, everybody.